Here, moral values are true. In the second question, the correct option is C, generous. In third question, this is third. Again, we start from the first. This is first. Second is 2. 3. 3 is G. Slave morality. He is against slave morality. He is in favor of independency. That one should treat as original perfect, individual perfect, not as slave. Fourth, this is third, this is fourth. Now we are 26 in numbers. 4 का आंसर आएगा जनाब, according to नेट से responsibility requires that we be. फोर्थ का है D, promises. Now come on next. 5.
16 sir.
This is 5. 5 का है A, editor and debater. Now 6. 6 is, according to Nietzsche, the act of punishment is 6 is enduring fluid. C. This is correct. C. Now 7. The 7 is, which of the following is not one of the slogans of aesthetic ideal that Nietzsche mentions, that are renunciation? He is not in favor of renunciation. Now 8. Ultimately, Nietzsche claims asceticism represents a will to power. Next is power. C is weakness. Nothingness, being. And the answer is nothingness. I am sending to the second boys section with the answers, and also in the girls section for your homework. This is girls section for exercise. And also in your assignment work on this file as well. This is already with you, with having page 12. Now we will see. Yeah. These are your MCQs. Please have the attendance pic and send in the group. This is you may say desktop. This is your 8th semester, second semester folder. This is second semester folder. Now, yes, this is the pic. Ali Bloch, please send this pic in the group of boys, or if you are unable, then send to me so that I may forward it in the group. Now we will have the idea of this one. Friedrich Nietzsche was a German philosopher and cultural critic who published intensively in the 1870s and 1880s. He is famous for uncompromising criticism of traditional European morality and religion. Again, notice he has the criticism for traditional यूरोपियन मोरालिटी एंड रिलीजन. उन्होंने मज़हब को और मोरल आस्पेक्ट को टारगेट किया हुआ है एज वेल एज ऑफ कन्वेंशनल फिलोसॉफिकल. कन्वेंशनल होते हैं ट्रेडिशनल पुराने वक्त के आइडियाज़ एंड सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल प्रीट्स एसोसिएटेड विद मॉडर्निटी. इन्होंने मॉडर्निटी इनके न्यू इरा के साथ जो क्रिटिकल इश्यूज हैं उनको कन्वेंशनल आइडियाज़ के साथ क्रिटिक्स के साथ तनकीद का निशाना बनाया है. Many of these criticism rely on psychological diagnosis that expose false consciousness infecting people received ideas. For the reason he is often associated with a group of late modern thinkers including Marxism and Freud who advanced a hermeneutic of suspicion against traditional values. Suspicion होता है मुश्तबे हो जाना, शक रखना, उसको मानना ना, फौरी तौर पे वैल्यूज़ को एक्सेप्ट ना करना. इसकी डिटेल फुकार्ट ने लिखी है 1964 में. Nietzsche also used his philosophical analysis to support original theories about nature of the self and proposals, suggestions, new values that he thought would promote cultural renewal. ये सबसे important चीज़ है. Cultural renewal and improve social and psychological life by comparison to life under the traditional values he criticized. उन्होंने क्रिटिसाइज किया है, ये उनके मेजर वर्क्स हैं जो उस पर हमने काम करना है. लाइफ ऑफ वर्क्स को हम स्टडी करेंगे, क्रिटिक ऑफ रिलीजन एंड मोरालिटी को देखेंगे, वैल्यूज़ को, मेटा एथिकल और ये जो इसके नेचर ऑफ वैल्यू क्रिएशन है ये देखेंगे. वैल्यूज़ है पावर ऑफ लाइफ, दिस इज़ ऑफ प्योर इम्पोर्टेंस. पावर ऑफ लाइफ, अफर्मेशन, ट्रूथफुलनेस, ऑनेस्टी, आर्ट एंड आर्टिस्ट्री, इंडिविजुअलिटी, एटोनमी, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पिरिट. दिस इज़ ऑफ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कि इंसान की सोच को, उसके जहन को, उसकी स्पिरिट को आज़ादी होनी चाहिए, वो कैद नहीं होनी चाहिए. प्लूरलिज्म पे उनका स्ट्रेस है. सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ फैशनिंग, डिफ़िकल्टीज़ ऑफ नेट्स फिलोसॉफिकल राइटिंग्स, ये हम टच करेंगे. द विल टू पार्ट, अगेन पर्सपेक्टिविज्म, द इटर्नल रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द सेम. इन सब की हम जो मॉरल आस्पेक्ट हैं, इनकी जो डेफिनेशंस हैं वो हम इंशाल्लाह स्टडी करेंगे. लिटरेरी वर्क हैं नीट्शे के, दिन में वर्क इन जर्मन है और वर्क इन इंग्लिश है, और सेकेंडरी लिटरेचर है, एकेडमिक टूल्स हैं, अदर इंटरनेट रिसोर्सेज हैं हमारे पास और हम उनकी मदद से, ये उनकी लाइफ हिस्ट्री है, ये आप अपने तौर पे होम टास्क के तौर पे स्टडी करेंगे और देखेंगे कि उन्होंने लाइफ में क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स की हैं, ये आप स्टडी करेंगे. रिलीजन एंड मोरालिटी को आज हम देखते हैं. excuse me, critique of religion and morality. This is critique of religion and morality. अब हम मेन एस्पेक्ट को थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लेते हैं. Yes. Nietzsche is arguably most famous for his criticism of traditional European moral communities, together with their foundations in Christianity. This critique is very wide range. It aims to undermine not just religious faith or philosophical moral theory, but also many central aspects of ordinary moral consciousness, some of which are difficult to imagine doing wrongdoing, moral responsibility, the value of compassion, the demand of equal consideration of person, and so on. This is the main target. By the time Nietzsche wrote, it was common for European intellectuals to assume that such ideas, however much inspiration they owed to the Christian intellectual and faith tradition, needed a rational grounding independent from particular sectarian or even ecumenical religious commitments. Then, as now, most philosophers assumed that a secular vindication of morality should surely forthcoming and would save the large majority of our standard commitments. Nietzsche found that confidence naive, and developed and he deployed all his rhetorical powers to shock his readers out of complicacy on his score. For example, his doubts about the viability of Christian underpinning for moral and cultural life are not offered in a sunny spirit of anticipated liberation, nor does he present a sober but basically confident call to develop a secular understanding of morality. This is the main idea of morality. Instead, बजाय इसके कि he launches the famous, aggressive and paradoxical pronouncement that God is dead. Now, Spilla, he is of against the opinion of the paradox religion that God is done. The idea is not so much that atheism is true in ये atheism के मुताबिक तो इस आइडिया को वो ट्रू समझता है, लेकिन लेटेस्ट जो उसके व्यूज़ हैं मॉरल एस्पेक्ट है स्पिरिचुअलिज्म है उसमें ही इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग ही डिपिक्ट्स दिस दैट pronouncement arriving as fresh news to group of atheists, but instead that because the belief in the Christian God has become unbelievable. Everything that, very core issue, everything that Christian is no longer command society-wide cultural elegance as a framework grounding ethical commitments and thus a common basis for collective life that was supposed to have been immutable and invulnerable has turned out to be not only less stable than we assumed, but incomprehensibly moral and in fact already lost. ये moral aspect है जिसको यहाँ पे टारगेट किया गया है और ये मॉर्टल है कि कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होगा और ये स्पिरिचुअल है. Man is mortal but spiritual being metaphysical approaches are immortal. इंसान मॉर्टल है लेकिन खुदाई मखलूक़ात मॉर्टल नहीं है, वो इमॉर्टल है. and in fact already lost. The response called for by such a turn of events is mourning and deep disorientation. This is our today's lecture. Again, we will have a view of this. This is critique of religion and morality. Now we come on the next topic. स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो गया, बोर तो नहीं हो गए हैं? आवाज आ रही है? यस. The main thing is, before the MCQs, we will touch in value creation. कि जिसने हमें क्रिएटर ने क्रिएट किया और हमें ज़िंदगी दी, हमें उसकी वैल्यू देखनी चाहिए, हमें उसको वैल्यू देनी चाहिए. मेटा एथिकल स्टैंड्स एंड नेचर ऑफ वैल्यू क्रिएशन, ये सेम है ऊपर वाले टॉपिक के साथ. हमने इसकी रीडिंग करनी है. ये अगेन उसकी वैल्यूज़ हैं जिसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हम टच करेंगे वो है पार एंड लाइफ. कि ज़िंदगी जब तक है हमारे पास पार है, जब तक हमारे पास जो अल्लाह ताला ने हमें क्रिएट करके दिया, हम उसमें अच्छा या बुरा कुछ भी करें वो हमारी पार में है. अगर हम अच्छा करेंगे तो हमारी पार्स हमें नेकी की तरफ ले जाएंगे. हम इसको स्टडी आउट करते हैं. The closest Nietzsche comes to origin, organizing his value claims systematically in his instances on the importance of power. This is of more importance. We will study here in such a way. The closest Nietzsche comes to organizing his value claims systematically is his instances on the importance of power. Especially of this is taken together with related ideas about strength, ये हमारी पार है, हेल्थ, ये हमारी पार है, एंड लाइफ, जब तक हम जिंदा हैं हम पावरफुल हैं. ये बेटा मेरे पास है. A well-known passage appears near the opening of the late work, The Antichrist. आगे हम देखते हैं. What is God? गॉड क्या है? अब ये चीज़ें सोचने वाली तो नहीं है. खुदा ने कहा है कि मेरी ज़ात के बारे में मत सोचो, मेरी सिफात के बारे में सोचो. What is good? और क्या अच्छा होता है? Everything that heightens the feeling of power in man. Yes, right. जो चीज़ हमारी पार में है वो हमारे लिए अच्छी है. That is good. Now we will say the feeling that power is growing, the resistance is overcome. हैप्पीनेस वो है जो वाकई हमारे इख्तियार में है, हमारी गिरफ्त में है. Now proceeding on the second idea, affirmation. यकीन दहानी होना कि वाकई कुछ है, ये आइडिया. A second value जो कि नीट्शे ने अप्रिशिएट की है, हम उसकी तरफ बढ़ते हैं. अगेन आई वुड हाईलाइट इट इन दिस वे. A second value, commitment, prominent in Nietzsche's work and arguability related to his positive assessments of life and power is the value of affirmation. According to Register 2006, Nietzsche regards the affirmation of life as his defining philosophical achievement. This theme enters forcefully in book 4th of The Gay Science, which opens with an expression of dedication to Amor Fati. Again, more definition. I want to learn more and more to see as beautiful what is necessary in things. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ खुदा की तख्लीक में कितनी खूबसूरत चीज़ें तख्लीक करता है. Then I shall be one of those who make things. तब मैं भी उन्हीं में से हूँगा जो क्रिएटर होंगे. Aesthetic sense, beautiful. Amor Fati, Let that be my love henceforth. I do not want to wage my war against what is ugly. I do not want to excuse. I don't even want to accuse those who accuse. Looking away shall be my only negation, and all in all and on the whole, someday I wish to be only a year, sir. GS 271.